In life, we struggle as individuals. A fine line between a cliche saying it's something original. As if in death we left something residual behind a mark our time up in this pitiful existence. And I'm a man of many issues. If I ever diss you, no disrespect, don't ever wish to hold a grudge. The stress made me act like this. For day I get it off my chest, I won't run tracks like this. But I'll be bitter on them when it was done and it's forgotten, cause it's easier to sit and complain and fix a problem. But the power of speech endowers our beliefs with our defeats. Man, nothing is out of reach. Got plenty to answer for, all I do is answer back. Done 1,000 things I regret, apologise for none of that. So you get back what you put in, no regret. And keep on until they know you sweat. You only get one chance, so I live for the moment. I'm just one man, what I wouldn't give for this moment. We got one world, still we take it in stride. And this one life, we stand still waiting to die. We get one chance, so I live for the moment. I'm just one man, what I wouldn't give for this moment. We got one world, still we take it in stride. And this one life, we stand still waiting to die. Now breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Now if life is what you make it, it's time to build. Man, I'm for real and I tell him what this life will yield. I'm a career man, cause I career off any path that would lead me to a start of financial gains. I'm scarred. We learn from our mistakes, that makes me a scholar on being a walking, talking fuck up and a better man. For being wrong, I'm humble and loyal. My friendships are honoured and my success ain't measured by the depths of his pocket. I give good advice but never follow it. What's left for me? I'm a hypocrite, and if I weren't, I'd be a success story. View this wide world through a narrow gaze. These harrow days